Welcome to a quick demonstration of our generative AI chatbot. How was the OEE on Wednesday? Saru, which is, by the way, the Japanese word for monkey, is accessing the data now. And you see Saru is coming back with results. Okay, can you give me more details? Saru is a large language model running on our infrastructure. It's based on Meta's Llama model family. And now we see that we have an availability of 58%, performance of 62%, quality of 96%. These are the OEE factors, which accumulates overall to 35% OEE. And Saru is giving us more KPIs, like the mean time to repair, the mean time between failures, and so on. Okay. What suggestions do you have to reduce the downtime? Saru is again accessing the data and giving us more context. And let's see with which improvement ideas Saru is coming up. So maintenance efficiency, equipment failures, optimization production schedule, downtime tracking system, training of operators, and preventive maintenance. These are examples that Saru is suggesting, referring to the situation of this equipment. Okay, let's see. One last question. How can I perform root cause analysis? Let's see. So this is a methodological question. More details. Now Saru is accessing its business administration and lean management and OE management content. We'll come up with an explanation here now. So I should define the problem, gather data, and now Saru is explaining me the 8 steps for a root cause analysis. So great, Saru, and you see this is why we haven't shipped completely. There are still some flaws in the answers, but this is going to be fixed. Okay, Saru, thank you. So this was our demo. This is a demo of OEAI's generative AI capabilities. Yeah, coming soon this fall to the app. You are welcome.